Okay. Have a look and see. The guy thought maybe he had an oiling issue with it. As we were pulling it apart, we found the water in the heads and cylinder wall. So we're thinking maybe that's all it was. Let's check out the bottom end and see what we got. Oh, nice gasket. I like these. I know a lot of people don't. I like them. They're no good if you're running alcohol, that's for sure. Well, see the crank's been ground 10-10 and then it's been ground 20-20. It's been balanced. That's nice. 2-bolt main block. That don't matter for what we're doing here. It's a cast crank. That's fine for what we're doing here. Balanced. They put ARP bolts in it. You know how I think about ARP bolts. They're a must-have. Everything feels good. When they ground the crank, they put a good bit of side clearance in it. I actually don't mind that. Thing is, so being in a boat motor, right? Thing's going to sit there, turn 4,000 RPM all day. It's not going to be making 1,000 horsepower, so you don't need a lot of, don't need that oil cushion there quite as much. But with the wider side clearance on here, you can probably hear that. That's good. The oil goes in, goes around the bearing, does the wedge thing, but it comes out the side clearances, it sprays up, it lubricates the cam, but it also cools the bearing. That extra oil flowing through there, if you have a pickup that is, that extra oil flow is going to keep them bearings cooler. When you're in a passenger car running down the road at 1,800 RPM, or you're in a boat at 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, that's a big difference. That's a big demand on your parts. So that's good to see. Here's something you guys got to be very careful of if you're doing yourself an engine. A small block Chevy, big block Chevy, they come, the rods all come stamped, right? Numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that kind of thing, right? None, these are like we got one there, we got one there. So obviously they've had to change that. 5, 4. I guess all I can suggest is if you have something like this is put your own mark on it for the way it is now. And then you'll just, we'll have to figure that out, the proper placement of them rods. What else do we see on it? Main caps of the things have been line bored, line honed lots of times. More often than not, don't ask me why, there's no excuse for it. They will swap the main caps so they don't have to do work on the registry. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 3. So they obviously had to change a cap. Front one and back one are different, so they don't matter. So they had to change a cap. So we were checking all that out.